What's going on? Just got off work and yeah, I just wanted to make a video. I had 3 of these sealed, but I was like, I'm just gonna open one because I already opened one. I mean, made the video for one, but now I'm gonna open another one. I'll just keep one sealed, so I'll probably open another one eventually, but I got 2 more sealed right now, but 3 packs. I'm not sure if I pulled the yugioh storm from this pack or if it was the other box. Don't know who these are, but nobody I recognize. Hoping for something cool. I mean, who knows? I could get something cool, but we'll see. That's kind of cool. Last pack. Yeah, nobody I recognize, but yeah, still cool. Got this at Toys R Us. Well, now it's shut down at Uptown, so there is no more, but yeah. Awesome. Just wanted to show you that. That was, yeah, that one. Thanks for watching.